Are you tired of feeling overwhelmed by the sheer number of bank accounts available? Do you wish someone would just break down what Lloyds Bank actually offers, simply and clearly, so you can make the best choice for your money? If you answered yes, then you're in the right place. Choosing the right bank account is a significant financial decision. It's not just about where you keep your money, but also about the benefits you can access, the fees you might incur, and how it aligns with your financial goals. Lloyds Bank, being one of the UK's oldest and most established financial institutions, offers a comprehensive range of accounts designed to cater to various needs, from everyday spending to long-term saving, and even specialized options for students and those with higher net worth. Let's dive into the core offerings from Lloyds Bank, starting with their current accounts, which are your go-to for daily transactions. First up is the Classic account. This is your basic, no-frills current account with no monthly fee. It's perfect for everyday banking, managing your income, and making payments. You also get access to their mobile app and online banking, plus the potential for cashback with their everyday offers. If you're looking for simplicity and convenience without additional charges, the Classic account is a solid choice. For those who want a bit more from their banking, Lloyds offers the Club Lloyds account. This account comes with a £5 monthly fee, but here's the good news, this fee is waived if you pay in £2,000 or more each month. What do you get for this? Well, you'll earn interest on balances up to £5,000, enjoy no debit card fees when you use it abroad, and get to choose a lifestyle benefit each year, options like a Disney Plus subscription, cinema tickets, or a coffee club membership. It also opens doors to exclusive savings rates and mortgage offers. Stepping up from Club Lloyds, you'll find the Lloyds Premier account. This one is designed for customers with a higher financial standing, requiring a monthly pay-in of £5,000 or £100,000 saved or invested with Lloyds to qualify for a fee refund on its £15 monthly charge. It includes all the Club Lloyds benefits, plus extras like a Bupa Family GP and well-being subscription, higher cashback on eligible spending, preferential savings rates, and a dedicated Premier servicing team. Lloyds also offers packaged current accounts like Silver and Platinum. These come with monthly fees, £11.50 for Silver, £22.50 for Platinum, with additional Club Lloyds fees if combined, but bundle and valuable insurances like travel insurance, AA breakdown cover, and mobile phone insurance. These can be a great option if you typically buy these services separately, potentially saving you money and offering convenience. For younger customers, Lloyds has tailored accounts. The Under-19s account is for 11 to 17-year-olds who want to manage their money, offering a debit or cash point card and earning interest on smaller balances. The Smart Start account, for 11 to 15-year-olds, provides both a current and savings account with parental oversight. And of course, for those embarking on their higher education journey, the student account is a standout. Available to full-time students aged 17 or over, it offers an interest-free arranged overdraft, which can be incredibly helpful for managing finances during university. The overdraft limit increases over the years of study, providing flexibility when it's most needed. Moving beyond day-to-day spending, Lloyds Bank has a diverse range of savings accounts to help your money grow. Their Easy Saver offers instant access with unlimited withdrawals, and the interest rate varies based on your balance. For those looking for tax-efficient saving, they provide various cash ISAs, including instant access and fixed-rate options. If you're a Club Lloyds or Premier customer, you also gain access to exclusive savings accounts like the Club Lloyds Advantage Saver and Club Lloyds Monthly Saver, which often come with more competitive interest rates. They even have a Child Saver account for adults saving on behalf of a child. Beyond these, Lloyds also offers fixed-term deposits for those who can lock away their money for a set period in exchange for a fixed interest rate, and specific accounts like the Monthly Saver designed for regular deposits. So, whether you're just starting your financial journey with a basic account, looking for premium benefits, or aiming to grow your savings, Lloyds Bank offers a broad spectrum of choices. Understanding these different options is the first step towards making a confident and informed decision about where to bank. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.